Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water filter cover in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair, should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water filter cover. The water filter cover is mounted over the filter. The cover serves as a watertight reservoir, allowing water to go through the filter. The main reason to replace the water filter cover is if it's cracked and is causing a water leak. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. So this is the water filter and the water filter cover, the one we're gonna replace. I will place a towel underneath because we might expect some water dripping down. And we're gonna unscrew that, turning it counterclockwise. And drop it down. And be careful. It will have some water inside. Alright, so now we're looking inside this cover. I already emptied out because it was full of water. And this O-ring needs to be removed, and we're going to install it into the new cover. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to pry it out. I mean, the best if you can order a new O-ring and replace it together with the new cover, but if you don't want to do it and it looks good, you can reuse it. This is the old water filter cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we need to install this O-ring into the new water filter cover. I'm going to drop it in. And make sure it's positioned correctly. And now we're going to install it. Alright, let's bring in a new filter cover, and I'm going to place it on. And then we're going to turn it clockwise, so I'm going to screw it on. Make sure it's tight. I mean, don't really break your fingers, but like that. And we're going to remove the towel. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.